Hello and welcome to Connect Your Tech's Tip of the Week. I'm your host, Matthew McNamara. This week, we're going to look at 5 tips on how to save some data on your Android phone. I will be using a Samsung S5 running Lollipop 5.1. These tips, however, are universal for all current Android devices. It's just that some settings may vary. Now, the easiest way to save data is to, of course, be using a trusted Wi-Fi when available. However, there are a few more things that we can do to save data on your Android phone when Wi-Fi isn't available. Tip 1. Restrict background use for apps. Your apps have the ability to run in the background, and that's how you get notifications from them. Depending on the app, it can actually use up a lot of data. To turn this off from your home screen, tap on Settings, then tap on Data Usage. Under App Usage, you will see a list of all the apps that use data. The first in the list will be the one using the most data, and it even shows you how much. If you tap on the app, you can add a check mark next to Restrict Background Data. You will get a warning, and you can tap on OK. Now that it will appear in the list as restricted. The app should not run in the background unless you are connected to Wi-Fi. You can repeat this for any of the apps in the list. I would target the heavy data offenders first, but remember that when you're not on Wi-Fi, the app will be treated like there's no connection at all, so you won't even get notifications from that app. Tip 2. Disable auto-updating apps. Some apps will auto-update on their own. This can use up a lot of data when updating over the mobile network. To turn this off from your home screen, tap on the Google Play Store icon. Tap on the menu from the left. Scroll and then tap on Settings. Under Auto Update Apps, it may be set to Auto Update Apps at any time. Tap on that and change it to Auto Update Apps over Wi-Fi only. When you're connected again on Wi-Fi, your apps will be auto updated. Tip 3. Upload Google Photos on Wi-Fi only. Depending on your phone, your photos could actually be quite large. And if your phone is set to upload your photos and your videos to Google Photos over both mobile and Wi-Fi, it will actually chew through your data pretty fast. To turn it off, find the Google Photos app, tap on it to open, and then tap on the menu from the left and tap on Settings. Then tap on Backup and Sync. Under Backup Photos, see if it's set to over Wi-Fi or use cellular network. If so, tap on that and change it to Wi-Fi only. Remember that your photos will not sync until you are connected to Wi-Fi again. Tip 4. Google Chrome for Android recently brought in a new feature that compresses data while browsing. It has been said that by using this feature, you can actually save 30 to 35% of your data. I recommend turning this feature on. I've been using it since it came out and I don't notice any difference in browsing. To turn it on, open up the Chrome browser app. Tap on the 3 dots. Tap on Settings and scroll until you see Data Saver. By default, it's off. Tap on it and then tap the switch to turn it from off to on. Tip 5. Avoid the Facebook app on Android altogether. Aside from the fact that the Android's Facebook app is one of the buggiest and worst versions of Facebook that's out there, Facebook for Android eats through your data. So I advise ditching it altogether. You could always browse to it through Chrome with the data saver on, and you can install the Facebook Messenger so you don't end up missing any messages. So there you have it. Those are 5 ways to save some data on your Android phone. I hope you liked this video, and if so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and share it. As always, thanks for listening, and this has been your Tech Tip of the Week.